Okay, here's my most poorly managed trade. It's not actually SCHW, it's SIGA, but this was the one that I took a couple trades before, and I think it was okay considering what SPY was doing. So I entered right here on SCHW because I liked that it was still kind of going up while SPY wasn't necessarily. But the problem with that was that this candle right through here, as soon as I entered, I saw these big pullbacks. And I thought, not a big deal, but the volume on them was actually pretty big. So with those pullback candles, I was worried about a big reversal. So what I did was I exited for a very small loss. Now in hindsight, that was a bad idea. I shouldn't have done that. But to be honest, I think the issue here was I got a little too skittish, getting obsessed with watching the price action and just insisting on everything be absolutely perfect right out the gate. Otherwise I'm out, and you got to give trades a little bit of room there. So SIGA went even worse. So SIGA here, I bought right here on the high of the day, which is great, right? So if I type it in through here, SIGA, where did I buy here? This candle right through here, 1445. This candle, that's a cool candle. That's a high of the day. And also SPY is not at the high of the day. So I'm watching SPY go up, but SIGA is not going up as much. And I start to see these little red candles through here, this red candle and this red candle. And at this point, because I'm getting skittish, my mindset's not right, I'm starting to get a little fearful because I had such a great day. I start fearing my losing, like the ability to lose. I started having a fear of loss. So I actually moved this thing down to the 1 minute so I could find some sort of excuse to leave this stock. And then I actually bailed right through here for a scratch. But look what happens right after that. It just shoots through the roof. I should have just given it a little bit more time. It wasn't even under the 8 EMA. But my fear of not wanting to ruin my perfect winning streak actually caused me to lose, basically. I needed to give it a little bit more room and take some damn profit. Because at the end of the day, nobody gives a shit if your win rate's so high, if your profit factor is below 1 or your profit factor isn't enough to make a living. So moral of the story is, don't think you're such a hotshot that you can actually read everything perfectly, and if nothing lines up 100%, you're out. Remember, we're entering stocks that are already just so damn good. SIGA's so good. It's an algo break. It's just got crazy momentum. The relative volume is off the charts. It's got just a crazy upsloping trend line. What more can you ask for? You're looking for certainty, and I was expecting it, and I got hit hard for it. So yeah, SIGA's my worst trade of the day, and my best was, what was my best? EDU.